In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tables and databases side by side in Notion. If you've ever tried to organize information in Notion and wished you could place two databases next to each other instead of stacking them on top of one another, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know how to create clean side-by-side layouts that make your pages easier to read and work with. Start by opening the Notion page where you want to place your tables or databases. This can be an existing page you're already using or a brand new empty one. Give the page a clear title so you know exactly what this layout is for, especially if you're comparing or linking information between the two databases. Once your page is open, click into the body of the page where you want the side-by-side layout to begin. You're going to use a simple command to create columns. Type a /, then the word column. As you start typing, Notion will show you a list of options related to columns. Look for the option that allows you to create columns or a column layout. When you select this option, Notion will prompt you to choose how many columns you want. Since we're putting tables or databases side by side, 2 columns is usually the best choice, but you can choose more if your layout calls for it. Select the number that fits your needs, and Notion will automatically create that many column areas across the page. You'll now see empty column spaces ready to be filled. This is where you can follow the on-screen prompts that Notion provides. In each column, you can either create a brand new database like a table, board, or list, or you can link an existing database that you've already built somewhere else in your workspace. Just click inside a column, use the / again, and choose what kind of database you want to add. You can repeat this process in each column until your side-by-side layout is complete. If you want to adjust the width of each column, hover between them and drag the divider to make one side wider or narrower. This is especially useful if one database has more fields or needs more space to be readable. Once everything is placed, scroll up and down to make sure the layout feels balanced and easy to understand. That's all it takes to get tables and databases side by side in Notion using the column feature and the on-screen prompts.